Hi, I'm DJ TLM, and welcome to Ask the DJ in collaboration with Algoriddim. Today I want to talk a little bit more about promoting yourself as a DJ. Last time I talked about recording your mixes and posting mixes online, and I also told you that it's very important that you have to actively promote those mixes. Today I want to talk a little bit more about how you should engage with people online. Because when it comes to promoting yourself as a DJ, there are different ways to go about it. Now, back in the days when people first started to post their mixes online, a lot of people would just use a spam type of way to promote themselves. So under my YouTube videos, I would find these comments from DJs that I never heard of before, and it would just say, check out my mix and a link. Same thing on Facebook. I have a new mix, check out my mix and a link. And I would not know who these people are. Now, I have never clicked on a link like that, to be honest. And I know a lot of people probably won't, especially nowadays, because there are so many people posting mixes online. So that is not the best way to approach a new potential audience. The better thing to do is to actively engage and become part of a community. In this case, I'm talking about online communities. Now, when it comes to Facebook, you can actually search for groups that might have a similar interest. They might like the style of music that you play. They may like DJs that you like. And it's a good thing to become part of those groups and then interact with those people. Don't talk about yourself as a DJ. Don't talk about your mixes, but just engage in conversation. So when someone posts a topic and you see comments, you might have something you want to add. You want to add some value to the conversation. So if you have an opinion about the topic, drop your opinion. If someone has a question and you feel you can answer it, answer it. That way you'll get noticed, like, hey, there's someone else who likes the same thing I like. They might see your name, and if your name is already DJ, whatever it is, they can already see, hey, he's a DJ or she's a DJ. And after a while, that might interest them into actually checking you out and see what you do. So if it's on Facebook, make sure that on your Facebook page, you have your mixes embedded, or at least links to your mixes, so that when people see your comments and you've sparked interest, they come to your page and they can find your mixes. Same thing with the YouTube comments. Don't just drop comments talking about your mix. If there's a topic that you like, there's probably a lot more people there that like the same topic, and add something to the conversation. Drop a comment that could actually mean something to someone. That's the way to get noticed, and that's the way to become part of a community. I see it myself when I see YouTube comments. Certain people comment on more videos. Once someone commented like 3 or 4 times, I recognize their avatar, I recognize their name, and I remember that name. It works. Same thing on Instagram. When I see people who leave comments under my photos more often, I remember the names. So that actually works. So when someone like that then posts something on Instagram and it's maybe a link to a mix, I'll be interested to click on it to see what it is that they actually do. So at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. You want to become part of the community, and online it is easier than ever because you have a lot of search options. When it comes to Instagram, you can look for hashtags for the genres that you play or artists that you like. You will find the people with similar interests. When it comes to Facebook, you can look for groups, and again, look for groups that are interested in the same things you're interested in. That's the way you can become part of the community. You can also find a lot of other DJs, promoters, clubs, everything, and just become part of that community. That way people will recognize your name more, and that could potentially lead to people checking out your stuff and maybe even booking you. Now, this is just another part of promoting yourself, and there's much more to it. But again, you have to put in the work and be patient. I hope this helps you out, and thanks for watching.